Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Manju Mix. Today's recipe is Mughlai Dum Gobi. The dum cooking is a slow cooking process which works magic to beautifully infuse the Mughlai flavors of dry spices and nuts in the cauliflower. This recipe makes a great meal for any occasion. So let's start with the recipe Mughlai Dum Gobi.
For the recipe, we need chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, garlic, ginger, green chilies, ginger juliennes, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, kasuri methi, mint leaves, salt, cumin powder, garam masala, coriander powder, cashew paste. It's optional. If you want to know how to make cashew paste, you can check the description box below. Cashew paste is made by grinding cashews and milk in grinder. Coriander leaves, curd, and small sized cauliflowers. Dry whole spices. First, remove the hard stem from the center of the cauliflower with a sharp knife. Boil a vessel full of water with salt and turmeric powder. Now place the cauliflower in the boiling water and cook till it is tender. Not to overcook, as later we are going to cook them on slow fire. Check whether they have reached the desired level of softness by pricking with knife. Remove this blanched cauliflower in a plate, and meanwhile we will prepare a marinade for the dum gobi. In a bowl, take curd. One tip here, take thick yogurt, otherwise it would coat nicely. Now add turmeric powder, red chilli powder, coriander powder, dhania powder, chopped ginger means adrak, salt, garam masala, cumin or Jeera powder. The quantity of each ingredient is mentioned on the screen. Rest I have kept to use in masala. Now mix well and add oil in it. Place the blanched cauliflower in the prepared marinade. Gently mix the entire thing and marinate these cauliflowers till you prepare the masala for the dum gobi. Time to make masala for the dum gobi. In a hot saucepan, take oil. For this Mughlai dish, we need good amount of oil. Next to this, add bay leaves, dry red chilies, cloves, peppercorns, black and green cardamom. Fry for just 30 to 40 seconds. They will release very good aroma when fried in hot oil. Time to add chopped onions. Saute onions till golden brown in color and tender. You can see the onions turn brown. Time to add ginger, garlic and other all dry spices, red chilli powder, green chillies, turmeric powder, salt, coriander powder, cumin powder. Keep mixing it along the masala. Time to add chopped tomatoes. Let it cook covered till tomatoes get tender and mushy. It's almost 10 minutes. When you see that the tomatoes have become mushy, now add cashew paste. This is totally optional, but Mughlai dishes are known for their richness. Cashew paste is made by grinding 8 to 10 Kaju with milk in a grinder. Keep mixing the cashew paste with the masala till the oil gets separates out. Time to place your cauliflower in the masala and pour the whole marinated mixture over it. Now add mint leaves. I have taken the dry mint leaves, you can take the fresh one also. Add garam masala. Time to give it a dum. Cover the pan with a lid and cook on slow flame, sealing it with some dough, making sure that heat does not escape out of it. Make sure it is tightly and properly covered with the lid. If you want, you can cover it with a plain plate, then you have to seal it with the dough all around the plate. Remove the lid and check. Yes, you can see steam is escaping out of it, and I am getting a very good aromatic fragrance of it. Kasuri methi and coriander leaves will take the dish to the next level. Alternatively, you can also put it on the tawa on low flame in order to give indirect heat to it if you are not using heavy bottom pan to avoid burning and sticking. So my aromatic and flavorful Mughlai Dum Gobi is ready to serve. Garnish the dish with ginger juliennes, coriander leaves and butter cubes. Though this recipe requires a lot of ingredients, yet the end result is truly satisfying and makes a great meal for any occasion. If you enjoy my recipe, please do like, share and subscribe my channel Manju Makes. Bye.